full out of the building?
Right, they're in.
I don't know what.
Go on,
Yeah, they're just down there. Huh? Yeah, right, one of them's out now. There's a marshal there though. He's popped his head out now. Right, they're in the corridor, He's out in the open. If you go down low, he won't see you. He's out in the open. He's right out in the open. Go down low, Carl. Right, they're about to come around. Right, they're all piling in that hallway. Right, you got one. There's one. Right, guys, they're stacking up down here.
Where?
Right, they're all in that hallway there. They're all in like really obvious areas. There's one on the floor.
Yeah.
One round the doorway. One of them's got a riot shield. There's a riot shield in the middle. They're popping out with a riot shield. Huh? No, you're hitting them all. You got him.
Did you take him in?
No.
Got another kill.
Alright, he's taking it now. You're playing well, Carl. You got this. Oh, well, they're firing the glass. Come on, you got it. Alright.
They're coming in. Where'd you go?
Fucking hell.
That's it, you're done. I'm done.
Oh, Marshall, do us a favour. Marshall, can you keep an eye on them? They just came out, I got them with a shotgun. I don't think they felt it. I got one of them with a shotgun, I just don't think they felt it. Come around, Right, they're just coming around, they're around the door. One of them's in the first doorway with a riot shield and they're behind that door there. Fucking hell. Right, they're all piled up there.
Tell me where they move!
Come on, that got someone.
Alright, let's get the wall.
They're all at that doorway. You can Come on, that got someone. They aren't taking hit. Alright. Well.
Yeah, they're moving to the door. Come on, hit, man. Come on, man.
Get some, baby.
Hey, Carl. I'm gone. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Step back.